Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. Today I thought we'd talk about some of the most popular choices for countertops. According to Consumer Reports, quartz, marble, quartzite, granite, and a few other solid surface options are the most popular. Quartz is very durable and easy to maintain. There are not a lot of choices in the quartz, but it is very beautiful. Marble, we love the veining that we see in marble. However, marble can chip easily. It needs to be resealed once a year, and while many stains easily wipe away, if you do not keep it sealed, you could have staining from spilled wine or other dark pigmented items. Granite needs to be resealed about every 10 years, and it's probably one of the most popular options out there. It can chip on the corners and edges, so that's something to be aware of. If you were to drop a very heavy pot on it, it's possible it could also crack. Again, granite is a very popular choice. There are so many options available in it. Quartzite is more like a stone, like granite and marble, and it has that beautiful veining that you see in marble. It only has to be sealed about every 2 years, and it is also a very beautiful product. Another solid surface option could be WilsonArt Thinscapes. Now, it's a newer product that's out there. However, it is very easy to maintain. It doesn't have to ever be resealed. It's scratch, abrasive, and heat resistant, non-porous, and very durable. There are quite a few options available in it. It's not going to be as thick as your marble, granite, or quartz, but it does simulate a lot of those products. If you've liked today's episode, would you please like and share it? Leave me some questions in the comments section so I can prepare for another episode. I'm Annie Good, and it's been my pleasure to bring value and insight to your projects each week. See you next time.